guys, it's been so long since I haven't vlogged. Today we're at, I don't know, but it's a surprise. So I'm just gonna show you a vlog of what we're gonna do here because there's no Wi-Fi. So I'm just gonna vlog. It's blue. And then the shower. Now, next is this and the kitchen with some utensils. This is chair and a table. Lots of stuff. And guys, this is the, I don't know, but we're gonna swim there later. I'm gonna show you guys where we're gonna allowed. So this is the bedroom, which is Mama. This is the windows, there's lots of windows. And curtain. Guys, that's the very nature, very demure, very mindful. And there's Papa over there. He's making a I'm so happy. Got some foods. We got medicines and some hygiene stuff. The guys, there's this water. So, what do you think? So guys, that waterfall there, how can I not point it? There, that one. It's so mad. It's been so long since I haven't vlogged, guys, so I'm vlogging for today's video. I'm vlogging for today's video. Ah! You see that, guys? I only see those wow, guys, she's like a princess. Very cold water. Mama, it's aqua flask water. Hi guys! We're gonna swim and we're going to sit over there on those rocks and we're gonna yap. I'm gonna show you guys. So it's getting, Alex, hold my hand. It gets lower and lower. You have to be very careful. I'm just gonna sit there.
1 hour later.
Guys, we're now done swimming. It's so windy. Time for snack time. Open.
Alex, what do you want? Red or green?
I want this Milo. Green or red? What do you want, Lex? Green. Okay guys, we're just in our bathrobes because we're still gonna swim later. We got Pringles and Milo. No? Should we go play Toka? No! Fine. Now, backseat. So guys, I just just took a bath, as you can see. These are my PJs for the day. For the day? For the night. Yeah, for the night. Okay, so let's see if we can... Yep, there's a lot of gamo outside. It might go inside, so it's better not. So I'm gonna go up here. Our mom said we won't be sleeping here at night, but she said we can hang out here for a while, but we're really not gonna sleep here. I'm just gonna go play some games first, guys, and I'll see you later because my dad's still gonna cook some food. I don't think we're allowed to open the window at night, but you can see that table where my sisters are sitting there, and there's this other window right here. It's really dark and very scary. Hello guys, today we're gonna sleep now. We're gonna sleep already and we're gonna wake up, of course. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hello guys. So I just woke up and this is what the place looks like now. It's so windy. Breakfast and it's 6:45. So guys, we're gonna do something when we're gonna swim, and no, I'm between myself. We're going to go grill some hot dogs while we're in the river. Like we're really gonna grill it in the river, and I'm so excited to experience that. So this is where I'm in. It's so cozy. Oh, look at my hot dog. Okay, come on. Let's look around.
Tago ka sa likod niya.
Hey guys, so it's a bit loud outside, so we're gonna just sit over here at this little bench with this cute little view, and I can see Alex. So I'm gonna show you guys. So this is my views. So guys, I'm back, and I'm gonna show you guys the cat that we've been feeding with leftover food. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. She also took some of her food at night, and then she hid them and then made a mess. But yeah, we feed her. So I'm gonna show you guys. We're going to get this later. So here we have it, guys. Guys, there's a new cat, and she's eating the rice we gave the other cat. We're gonna leave now, guys. guys, we're at the car now and we're gonna go daan to our Lola's and Lolo's house and 1 or 2 hours. And then we got some rocks. We kept some rocks. I'll show you guys what they look like. So those are the rocks that we got.
Save for points.
Save your stomachs. So guys, we're here now. I just woke up, so I'm a bit sleepy and we're gonna go later. So bye.